How to export user reports from Levelup. LMS user reports are crucial for any corporate training program as they help you track your trainee performance over time. In this short video, we will look at how you can download user reports from Levelup. First, you need to log into your Levelup admin account. On the side panel, click on the Courses icon. You will be redirected to the Courses page. You will see the option for User Reports. You will get a pop-up titled Export to Excel. First, you will need to select the users for which you will need the report. You can select individual users or user groups. Select the status of the courses on which you need a report. You can choose from All, In Progress, Completed, Not Started, and Cancelled. You can also choose the start and end date. Please note that it is optional. If you do not choose any start or end date, you will get the report for the entire period the user is registered on your platform. Click on Generate Report. The report will be downloaded directly in .xlsx format onto your computer. This is how easy it is to get things done on Levelup. Check out our other videos to learn how you can use other user-friendly features of Levelup. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates.